So hi all my dear friends, I'm back with a new video. In this video I'm going to teach you how to use Desmos to your fully advantage, okay, in exam. If you look this type of questions, then don't hesitate to do in the Desmos. You can do alternative process as well in the copy, but I will highly recommend you to do in Desmos because uh, it will make less intense and be more easy for you as well. So in this question, what the question has said is fx equals to a to the power x minus b, and the exponential function given above passes through the point c comma 8 and 2c comma 350. If c is positive constant, what is the value of b? So we need to understand here is these 2 points are passing in this line. So we just need to first make the table because this 2 is passing, so we need to put the value of x and y simply, and then just put the value, just copy from the question, and then you can just simply copy what it is written in the question. Why I have written y1 here is because we have considered fx equals to y1. This whole value will consider in this y1 and this x1. This all x1 value will considered here in x1. So I have written. So you can see that it is still showing the exclamatory sign, which means we have to understand that c is positive constant. So we need to put c equals to any of the positive constant. We'll put here 1. As you can see that the value of b already came here, which is 11. So you may wondering that if I put any of the positive constant, will it show still 11? So yes, definitely 11, the value is neither changing. Okay, so as you can see that the answer is 11. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubt related to the questions, you can comment down below. I will surely looking forward to replying your comments.